Hello, my name is Steve Bowler, and in this video I'm going to be configuring RIP version 2. Specifically within RIP version 2 we're going to be taking a look at the rule of split horizon. We're going to be taking a look here specifically within this lab. We're going to be taking a look at the example of a non-broadcast multi-access network such as frame relay and how split horizon, we're just going to be taking a look at the way split horizon is affects our frame relay network. In this case what we're going to do is we're going to have two spoke routers, router 2 and router 3, and then our hub router is going to be router 1, and we're going to be taking a look at enabling all these routers into the same subnet. So we're going to do a point to multi-point connection here using the physical interfaces, and we're going to be taking a look at the default or normal behavior of split horizon when it's run over a RIP network in a frame relay topology like we have here. So as you can see here, we have router 1, router 2, router 3. We have our network between all the routers is going to be the 172.16.1.0 network. And what we'll do now is we'll go ahead into the routers, we'll get them configured with the basic information, and then we'll go from there. So router 1, let's jump on to router 1 here. Let's go to its serial 00 interface. We'll give it an IP address of 172.16. Let's see, what are we working with here? 1.1. We'll go ahead and enable frame relay encapsulation. Then we'll go ahead and do our frame relay mapping commands. So we're doing static frame relay. So frame relay map IP 172.16.1.2, and then that's over Delcy 102. So we're doing our layer. We got our IP to Delcy mappings here. Then we'll go ahead and map to router 3. Again, we're going to allow broadcast information to traverse these links. Specified with the broadcast keyword there. Again, on router 1, if we take a look, we do already have a loopback interface. If we do show IP interface brief, we do have a loopback IP already configured. So the 1 network on router 1, router 2, we'll do the 2 network, and router 3 we'll do the 3 network. So again, on router 2, we'll just go under its serial 00 interface, do a 172.16.1.2/24. Go ahead and no shut the interface. We'll enable frame relay encapsulation, and then we'll do our static frame relay mapping commands here. So frame relay map IP 172.16.1.1 over Delcy 201. We'll broadcast that back to router 1, and then we'll also have our mapping in here for router 3 over the same Delcy 201. Okay, let's go into router 3, get it set up. Frame relay encapsulation, we'll give it the IP address of 1.3 with the /24 subnet mask, and we'll go ahead and do our static frame relay map commands. So we'll do 172